15 puzzle problem. In this video, we will discuss about 15 puzzle problem. 15 puzzle problem invented by Sam Lloyd in 1878. The 15 puzzle consists of 15 numbered tiles on a square frame with a capacity of 16 tiles. Here we can see each tile is numbered from 1 to 15 and there is one empty tile placed next to 15 and this is our goal arrangement. In such a problem, we are given an initial arrangement of a tiles as it is given here. So this is our initial arrangement of the tiles, and now our objective is to transform this initial arrangement into the goal arrangement. Here we can see that this is our initial arrangement of the tiles and our objective is to transform these initial arrangements into the goal arrangements through a series of legal moves. Here, only the legal moves are the ones in which the tile is adjacent to the empty spot. Is moved to the empty spot. Therefore, from this initial arrangement, there are 4 possible moves are there. It means we can move any one of the tiles numbered 3, 6, 7 and 8 to this empty spot. Once we moved only any one of the tile out of these 4 tiles, the other moves can be done according to that. Here, each move creates a new arrangement of the tiles, creates the new arrangement of the tiles, and these arrangements are called states of the puzzle. Are called states of the puzzle. The initial arrangement is called the initial state. The initial arrangement is called initial state and the goal arrangement is called goal state. a goal state is reachable from the initial state. A goal state is reachable from initial state if and only if there is a sequence of legal moves, from the initial state, to this state. It means goal state. The state space of an initial state consists of all states that can be reached from the initial state. Now, the most straightforward way to solve the puzzle would be to search the state space for the goal state and use the path from the initial state to the goal state as the answer. Now here we will see a part of the state space tree for 15 puzzle problem. As we can see, this is our initial state. From this initial state, the 4 moves are possible. So we can move one of the tiles, move to the empty spot. The tiles will be 3, 6, 7 and 8. From these 4 tiles, any one of the tiles we can move to the empty spot. Here we can see that this is our initial state, and from this initial state, as we have previously mentioned, then we can move the tiles numbered 3, 6, 7 and 8 to this empty spot. So here whatever the edges are given here, these edges are labeled according to the direction in which the empty space moves. So here we can see that, so here 3 is present in the upward direction, so that 3 is moved to the empty spot. So when we move this 3 to this empty spot, then this spot remains blank. It remains empty spot. So this will be an output, and in this, so this 1, 2, so here 3 is present, so that 3 comes to the empty spot. So therefore 3 comes here. This 4, 8, 5, 6 and this other tiles, it remains as it is. So when we move 3 to the empty spot, we will get this output. But if we move this 8, which is in the right direction, to the empty spot, then this will be the output, that this tiles 1 to 4, this remains as it is. 5, 6, it remains as it is. Only this 8 tiles which was present here, it comes to this empty spot. So here 8 comes and it gives this empty spot. So remaining tiles, it remains as it is to the previously initial arrangement. After that, we will see the next 2 cases, that here 3 and 8 which is moved. Now down, this tile which is present in the down direction, that move to the empty spot. Then in that case, this 7 comes to this empty spot and we will get this output. So we will get this state. So here this will be our empty spot. And when we move this 6 which is present in the left direction to this empty spot, then here we will get the empty spot. as we can see here, that here we will get the empty spot. So whatever the empty spot are given here, it is shown with green color. So not necessary that you have to use any color, but for simplicity here I used the colors. Now in this case, in this case we have only two cases further. So here either we can move to this empty spot, or we can move the number 4 tile to this empty spot. If we move 3 to this empty spot, then again we will get this initial state. So we will not move 3 to this empty spot. Either we will move the left or right tiles to this empty spot. When we will move this 4, which is in the right direction, to this empty spot, we will get this state. The other positions, other tiles which remains as it is, only these two tiles will be changed. And when we move this left side tile 2 to this empty spot, we will get this state. Now here, this is our empty spot, and now we can move only two tiles further, because as we can see here our initial state. So in this we can see that here we move 8 to this empty spot and then we get this state. Now here either we can move this 4 to this empty spot or 11 to this empty spot. So it means up and down, these are only two edges will be there. If we move 8 to this state, then again we will get this initial state. So therefore we will not move 8, we will move only either 4 or 11. Here we will get the output, these states. So when we move 4 to this empty spot, empty space, empty slot, so we will get this state, and when we move 11 to this empty slot, we will get this state. Now according to this we can move, or we can do this further. Now here this is the state where we can 7, 10, 15 and 11, these are the tiles we can move to this empty spot. So when we move 7 to this empty spot, again we will get this initial state. So that's why we will not move 7. Instead of 7, we will move either 10, 15 or 11 to this empty spot. And similarly here 2, 5, 10 and 6, these are total 4 tiles which we can move to this empty spot. But here we can move only 3, because if we move this 6 to this empty spot, again we will get this initial state. So therefore either we will move 2, 5 or 10, and then now here we will get the states. Here in this state we move this 11, which is on the right position, to this empty spot, empty slot, so we will get this state. Now here we move 15 to the upward side, so we will get this state. And here this 10 which is present on the left side, we move to the left side, we move to the empty slot, so we will get this state. After that, from this state there are only 3 feasible. So here the upward tile, that is 2 is moved to the empty slot, so we will get this state. Here this 10 move to this empty slot, then we will get this state. And here this 5 move to this empty slot, then we will get this state. Now in this way we can move again here Here if we can see, already we move 4 to this empty slot, then we get this state. Now here only one tile can be moved, that is 8 is moved to this empty slot, and finally we get this output, this state. And here only two are possible, that either we can move 6 or we can move 1. So here 3 tiles are possible to move to this empty slot, that is 1, 6, 2. But if we see the previous state, this one, so here we move this 2 to this empty state. So again if we move this 2 to this empty state, again we will get this previous state. So we will not move 2. So either we can move this 1 or this 6. Now if we move this 6 to this empty state, then we will get this state. If we move 1 to this state, the empty slot, then we will get this state. So here till now we will not get the goal state. And what is our goal state? That this is our initial arrangement, and we have to transfer this initial arrangement to the goal arrangement. So here we started this our initial arrangement as it is here, and here we have seen the different states. Now for this state, if we move 3 to this empty state, we will get this state. But if we move 4 to this empty state, we will again get the previous one. So therefore there is only one state is possible. Now here 7, 11 and 12, these are the three different states which are here. But if we move 11 to this empty slot, then we will again get this previous state. So therefore either we will move 7 or 12. Now if we move 12 to this empty slot, then we will get this state. And if we move 7 to this empty slot, then we will get this state. Now from this, here total 3 states are possible. 3 tiles can move to this empty slot, either 8, 11 or 12. But if we move 11 to this slot, empty slot, then we will get the previous one. So that's why either we move 8 or 12. If we move 8, then we will get this state. And if we move 12 to this empty slot, then we will get this state. And if we see our previous arrangements, that we have to move this initial arrangement to the goal arrangement like this, that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And this 16th tile is empty. Now this arrangement is possible here. So here we achieve our goal. So this 1 to 15 tiles are present sequentially, and this 16th slot is for empty slot. Now in this way we got our goal arrangement. Now here we can see we move only 3, that this is our initial state. This is our initial state. Now when we move 7 to this empty slot, we got this state. Then we move this 11 to this slot, empty slot, then we get this state. And after that this 12 moved to this empty slot, then we got our goal state. So total 3 steps are here, that is this first step, second step and third step. Within this third step we get our goal state. Now in this way we can solve the 15 puzzle problems. And this is the part of the state space tree for the 15 puzzle.